Asian, and Native American skin types all have different amounts of melanin. The number of melanocytes strip parallel to the skin without lifting. Follow through on the pole to avoid slowing down.
Leah's car tinted today. Right now she got a fishbowl. She don't need nobody all up in her business, honey. Leah is legit now, sitting behind 5% tint. Nah, it ain't 5. That's too dark for her. But she cooler now. So I'm happy for her. So hungry. I'm about to tear this up. There you go. Target. I'm about to try some Tabitha's pickled okra. I don't know which one to get. She have garlic and lemon. I think I'm gonna go with lemon. Get this one. Gotta get my gummies. The best gummies. They got my cherry splash ginger ale. Yeah. This is the best one. I can get it. Fruit splash. Miss Vicky's jalapeno, of course. Wet wipes for my car. Wet pink nightgown. That's $20. I might get it. I find some wide leg jeans. Let's see. Let's see here. These are cute. I hope I can fit these. They are 12. So we'll see. Look at these pants. They are really cute, except for they have a big gap in the back. I don't think I'm gonna get them, but they look cute. This is always a problem with my jeans. Now, why the waist gotta be that damn wide? These are cute. These are the ones I like anyway. That little thing on the side right there. But they still have the gap. But it's not as big as the other ones. Well, I'm just gonna get a belt and get these. It's a cute Michael Kors bag. I'm trying to decide if I want it. It's $99, and then they have a belt to match it. This is cute. I don't know if I don't need it, but I might get it. It's for my office. This is so cute. I got tostadas again, along with some avocado, lime juice, some Taco Bell fire, and some picante with my Oli Pop. It's going down. I had this papaya for almost a week now, and it's starting to wither. But the only reason why I get papaya is for the seeds, because I take them whole. You're not supposed to chew them, you're supposed to just swallow them whole. And I'm gonna take the seeds. They say you're supposed to eat your food like medicine, or else you'll end up eating your medicine like food. So papaya seeds help with all kinds of stuff. They have all kind of benefits. The papaya itself has all kind of benefits. So if you know, you know. Packing last minute for my trip. I just went and got these little buttons. Aaliyah told me to get these for my shoes. So I'm gonna put those on, and I'm gonna try everything on, and then see how it go. I'll holler at y'all later. My luggage, last minute. I leave. It's what, 10 something. I gotta get up at 4:30, and I'm just now about to pack this luggage. So here we go. What a crazy morning I had today. I got to the airport like maybe 55 minutes before my flight departed, and I'm usually on time, but today I'm so tired when I got up because I got up at 4:30 a.m. this morning. I guess I was moving too slow, and I got here. They would not let me check in. They said I had to be here an hour before my flight departed, and I was like 5 minutes after that time. So they wouldn't give me my boarding pass. They said I had to call the airline. I called the airline, and it all worked out in my favor. Originally, I had a stop in Toronto, and when I called, they said my original flight was delayed, and they gave me a credit, and I was able to now fly from Houston direct. So my flight doesn't leave until another like 2 hours. So I got me some breakfast. I don't know. This is some kind of Mexican breakfast, rancho, something with like eggs, bacon, black beans, and salsa.